عشق را ای کاش زبان سخن بود. Eshgh in my language Farsi means love, and as you know, or maybe you don't know, I am Iranian and my main language is Farsi, Persian, and the alphabet we use in Farsi is exactly the same as Arabic, despite in Farsi we have 4 extra letters. And here, this is a ring I made with Eshgh word because it's a loving word. It has a good meaning, good feeling, and yeah, as you see how delicate and simple it looks in the finger. I have more other words I'm going to show you now. This one is Bavar. In Farsi we call it Bavar, and in English means believe, because I believe that I can achieve whatever I want and whoever I want I can be, and this is a powerful word for me. It's very meaningful since I started my journey, my jewelry journey in Norway 7 years ago in 2016. I had nothing, and I even didn't think that I can create this magic place for me and for you. And yes, when I came to believe that I can be who I want, this word has very special meaning for me. So what is the word that make you empowering, give you good feeling, and it has a lot meaning for you? We can make it as a delicate ring and you can hold it. It could be the name of a person who you love, or your own name, or whatever. And as you see, the Persian calligraphy is very beautiful, is very artistic, and you can have your name, your word in a piece of ring, very delicate. And I recommend whenever you want to give a gift to your loved one, that is one of a kind gift, highly recommended. I have 2 more rings from my Persian collection. This is Jan and Janan. In Farsi, Jan and Janan means soul, like dear. If you want to say to somebody that you are my soul, you are my everything, you say you are my Jan. Jan man hasti, Janan man hasti. So this is very loving word and I love it personally. So what do you think? You can see how it looks on the finger. And the last one that I want to show is again the Eshgh love ring, but this design is different. If you have a heart in here, and this ring is adjustable, so you can easily adjust it on your finger. It doesn't matter what is the size of your finger, so it can tighten it, you can tighten it, or you can open it a little bit more, and yeah, that's very beautiful. Make sure to watch my other videos. That in that video I'm specifically showing some of the necklaces I made with Persian words. So till next time, so much love is always here.